I deserve on this bird's consequence. I will take it because I knew that it was my fault for killing this bird accidentally.
This bird is your son.
I didn't mean to kill this bird. God, I'm sorry. I deserve something like a punishment from you. I'm Bob, by the way, so...
Arneal killed his son, a bird.
Praise the Lord. Wherever this bird goes, I know he will make it to heaven. Because he didn't do any.
Great, you missed a piece right there.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Keep going, dude.
With a stick.
Hold on.
Make a cross.
I know.
Do Amazing Grace.
Girl, you're amazing.
I said Amazing Grace, not Bruno Mars. This is
stick.
Is that a hawk?
Dude, there's a stick.
I know how bad I was for killing this bird. Didn't mean to hurt you.
You know what? What's this?
That was your son, bro.
Go, bro.
Ceremony's over, let's go. And now he's skiing up.
How's that shot?
I know you and hoes. I know you and hoes these days. Ouch.
How much you want to bet there's a snake down there?
Go down there and check then.
Let's go. Who's with me to go adventure?
I'm not down to go. Look at how fucking low that is. It's like straight downhill. You gotta basically jump.
Weeper would do that. Yeah. All of us, I meant all of us. Not just us, but all of us.
Check it out, there's a playground right there.
What if I were literally like, psh?
That would beat the fucking shit out of you.
No, you're already bleeding. You're like, can't see. You'd be like, I'm sorry, Anthony.
Let's go. And here's Loey's. Here's Lowie.
Yeah. Still have my bird.
And his son.
Ow! What it bit me for?
Your son hates you.
There. Cross. Swallow.
That's perfect right there, dude. Check that out.
You don't bite me.
That's your son. Are you gonna punish?
Ow! Ow! Stop! Oh shit! Help me. You gotta help me.
Come on, bro. Alright, let's go. Oh shit.